After that commercial, we're now back with Dr. Lopez. Dr. Lopez, let me ask you this question. If if I were a high school student and I want to become a nurse and I want to enroll at your university, what are the things that I should prepare so that I could be accepted in your college?
Thank you. Of course, foremost, there is the assessment of your academic records. So you have to provide the committee a copy of your transcript of records, if not the informative copy for assessment.
What grades are you expecting to see?
If I were in the other school, which State University, expect at 85% or grade point average of 85 or higher. But then in the other school, in this State University, there are 5,000 applicants and only 2 blocks are taken. A block of 40 times 2, that would be 80. So it's a competitive assessment, and basically the final decision is by ranking. Of course, they have the personal interview to assess your proficiency in the use of English language, and at the same time your communication skills, because it is one vital skill of a nurse in interacting with the clients, in giving health instructions, and also communicating with members of the team or colleagues. Then we give a battery test. The battery test would be a snapshot of your abilities, and there used to be a bias for the battery test, but in the past several years, there's a swinging of the bias to more of the emotional quotient, ability to handle stress, because nursing is a very stressful job. Although we do not have a hard and fast tool which could adequately measure emotional quotient or emotional IQ, but then it is deduced from the way you carry yourself and the way you answer questions. But in reality, in the private schools, so competitive. In the first year, most schools in the private schools would do open admission in the first year. Once you are taken in, it's a sink or swim, and if you make good with your grades, you're gonna be promoted to the second year, where most of the nursing major courses are offered. That's the reality of nursing education as far as the private schools is concerned.
Okay, right now we'll break into commercial.